Uh, just to begin to start giving you an idea about the importance of the steel industry around the world, we're going to have our first speaker, Mr. Adel Shawkat. But we're going to start with our first speak, applications of steel and its importance in the economy. So the mics are all yours, Adel, and you want to present your PowerPoint as well.
Yes, thank you very much for your intro, and also this is for a very nice video introduction. Also, many thanks for AIST Global and AIST Mexico and MENA for more activities to young professionals. This is future industry and this is future fighter and engineering. My name is Adel Shawkat. I'm public relation chair in AIST MENA and export manager for Sami Soybash in Turkey for Middle East. I will need to share with you for my presentation here. We will talk today as you intro in video, and how is this affected and impact for economy. This is our index. What is worldwide steel production? What is top 20 countries producer for in global, and we will focus more for MENA and Mexico steel production, and we will affect also for how is this grossing from year per year, how is MENA and Mexico going up, and how many ton this is double area or double zone it will be production, and what is the type of steel product we can affected in our life, and for economy and social impact of the global steel industry. First slide here, you can see this is production for steel from 1950. We can find grossing in steel production. This is grossing, maybe last 2 years will be flat, or grossing is really very small from COVID-19, and now our area have problem for some product, but still we have grossing. Last year, 2021, in 1,951 million ton, its final product. In slide number 2, we can find what is the top 20 in 2022. What is the top 20? China, it's number 1. It's around 6% from worldwide production. Number 2 is India, and going up and going up. But here, if we focus for our area, Turkey, it's 2020, it's 35.8 million ton and is rank number 7. And Mexico 16.8, it's number 15. This is per million ton. And Egypt, its last one, it's number 28.2 million ton. We will going to here for chart, but we have this chart, interactive chart. We can find here, this is for 2021. It's here for Mexico City, crossing from 2020, from 16.18, now 2021, 18.47. It's now steel industry in Mexico going up. For Turkey, from 35.8 going to 40 million. Egypt also here grossing, and China, it's dark blue, it's 55%. It's going dark blue, and we can find also here America, it's 85 million, and Japan 96, and all countries grossing and going up. In MENA and Mexico, this is this graph especially for us, and we can find the number one, Turkey, grossing from 35.8 up to 40 million, and Mexico from 16.18 to 18.47, and Egypt from 8.2 to 10.3 million ton. Saudi Arabia also 8, and Pakistan 5, and Algeria 4. Total MENA region production 74 million ton, and for Mexico 18. Now we are focused for two area. These two area are more than 90 million ton. Let's going back to our slide. Here we can understand how is this production going. As our intro in a video, you can find steel going in everywhere, steel in all application. Consumption from big amount, 52% in infrastructure. If you need to build the country, you need steel for infrastructure, for road, for bridges, for houses, for factories, for everywhere. You can find steel in your, maybe in infrastructure. You can see this is steel, but steel inside building, steel inside infrastructure, steel in bridges. It's 52% from capacity, from consumption, from steel worldwide going in infrastructure. Here you can find, you can find 16% from mechanical equipment. And this is mechanical equipment steel. It's day per day, its technology will be different, because this is machine. We need very high tech steel, and this is for hardness, for steel grade, for mechanical and chemical consumption, for this is material, and mechanical equipment is 16%. In automotive industry now, you can feeling in everywhere we have evolution in automotive business, because now we are changing from auto to electric car, and all countries and all worldwide governments forced to this transformation for electric, and now we can find production for automotive industry grossing and going up. Now we can find a 12% from steel consumption is going to automotive industry, 10% from metal product, only 10% you can see in metal product, in some furniture, office furniture, all backing, metal backing, and for painting or some food or some slices, it's only 10% from consumption. Other transportation, it's shipbuilding and trains and bicycle, and this is only 5%. 3% from electrical equipment, and 2% from domestic appliances. This is for refrigerator and machines in home, and this is for your houses. This is a total percentage using in steel business and consumption for steel business. Okay, let's going to how is this steel business affected, and in steel industry affected in economy, worldwide economy. You can understand here 2.9 trillion dollar. This is the size for steel industry. 2.9. It's 3.8% from global GDP. GDP, it's grossing domestic product, and this is measure for how you can understand in each country, how is this country going up or going down from this number. And this is 3.8%. This is for worldwide global GDP. The steel industry affected 3.8% by, if economy going up, it will be affected in steel industry, and this is a steel industry affected in people working in steel. 96 million job global, 96 million job global, and every 2 person working in steel industry, we have 13 people working in service. If you are working in steel industry in a factory, you have logistic, you have truck driver, you have banking for finance, for inspection, for backing, for everywhere, for sales, for assembling, for everything. Every 2 person working in steel industry, we have 13 people working in other service for global. Now you can understand how is this number. This is really very big number, really very big number working in steel global, and this is people, all of them have a family, and this is from our global people. This is a really big number, and 3.8% from GDP worldwide. This is our fast revision in our interview. Many thanks for Mr. Zuri, and I'm looking for thanks for listening also, and many thanks for MENA AIST and Mexico AIST for this is activities for young professionals. Thank you very much.